Hi, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I'm here to share my Van Gogh journal I made. And I had this material and I just thought it was fitting. And I just took a Reader's Digest book and I covered it. And I put Van Gogh here and a picture of Van Gogh. And then I put Van Gogh there. So when it goes on the shelf, it kind of sits like that. Now, I had to rethread my signatures. It's turned out okay. I was just off a little bit with my measurements. So, but it's for me, and I meant to do this before I started writing in it, and so there's a couple pages I already wrote. So when you open it, you have me, Diamond, and Allie at Beyond Van Gogh. I've always liked Van Gogh, but when I saw Beyond Van Gogh advertised, I'm like, I need to go see it, and then it piqued my interest, and I wanted to learn about Van Gogh a little bit more than just knowing his paintings. I wanted to know his history. So I had Diamond go some books to research for me, and Van Gogh the Life is supposed to be one of the best books out on the market about Van Gogh. So I got that. So what I decided with the journal is I'm going to take and put my notes in here, or how I felt about a certain chapter. I'm on chapter 3 because it is small print. It takes me a while to read it. And I'm going to write in here things that I want, like, I'll tell you right out. His mother was weird. she was a preacher's wife, but wanted to be a senator's wife, kind of. It's the best way. Wanted to be. She had the "I'm better than the neighbors" attitude. So that's how far I'm into the book right now. So I thought I'd share how I created this and what the pages. I went and got a lot of his pictures, his paintings, and they're throughout the book. And I got some of his paintings in big print, and then little sayings that he would say that I guess are probably throughout his life. I don't know, I thought they were cool. So I got them on like little places. And then when you open it, they're here. And then I just did little pockets, and it was his art, and like this is us again. And I journaled on the back of it. You can see where I already started journaling. And this is about kind of what I journaled about as seeing the ads for Van Gogh's Beyond Van Gogh and Ask a Diamond road trip. We went there the 22nd of December, and it was one of the most beautiful experiences of my life. So it really piqued my interest again. So I write about how that piqued my interest, what the girls on a special day, and then more writing and more writing. And you can see I have his paintings on every page. This is, it's not perfect, but it's mine. And his paintings are not in order or sequence of when he painted them throughout the book. They're just in the book. And then more little drilling cards, more of his little quotes. And then this is an envelope I put in here, and it says Beyond Van Gogh on the cover. And then when you open it, Diamond and Allie and myself went and saw pictures, and I have an arrow going down, and then inside are some pictures from Beyond Van Gogh I took. I just did them wallet size. Them are tucked in the envelope. And just more. Like this one I should have used as a picture, not a journaling card. I may find a spot for that later, because I forgot to switch. I was printing double side, and then I started printing his pictures, and I forgot to switch back just to regular way. But it's in there for now. I could cover that with just a piece of paper too. And got some of his washi. I found Xenon turned me on to his washi from the washi tape store. So I picked some of that up. Like there. some I just did pictures that there's no way to, I mean, I could write it if I wanted to, but some of the more washy up there. Middle say of the signature. You'll see pockets, slip-ins. There's another one. Another pocket, and I put some more of the pictures in that pocket. Then we come to the end of that signature. I did 3. A little images of him, self-portraits. This is one of his last self-portraits. Another envelope. And these are little bookmarkers I found off Google. But these was when I accidentally printed, forgot to change the size. That's why I used them. I caught it. I didn't run as many pages that time. I like how it turned out. It's very simple. I wanted a lot of his art through the book. This is a little envelope. So that's why. Let's see, you can see how they don't line up because this is probably the best one. The last signature is where it's supposed to be, and I didn't realize they slid down on me. But you know what? It's mine. I'm not worried about it. Another little pockets. I may tape things in here. You know, kind of envelope pocket. You never know, but it may be. I may end up putting it in here. I said you will see some repeats. I used chair, Vincent's chair. Now this picture is a self-portrait of him, but it was destroyed. And the only reason we know what this looks like is somebody actually took a picture of it before they destroyed it in World War II. It's the only reason we know about this one. He had a keen thing of everyday living people. And the thing is that his mother, what I've read so far, she would look down upon people like this woman and this gentleman. Especially, find it, the potato eaters, as he was referred to, because they were middle class, they were poor, and For being a minister's wife, she had heirs. That's his mother. He got the real essence of everyday living people. And like, see, he really did. So, I know little bits and pieces, but yeah. So I just thought I'd share how I turned out. In the last page, or on the book cover, is me. That's in front of the big screen. And it was Starry Night. So cool. Could have been storing it on the ruins too. I don't remember exactly, but I had Diamond take a picture of me standing in front of the big screen. It was so cool. So I just thought I wanted to share. I think it's cool. I like how it turned out. It's not too gator mouth in my opinion. I don't have a closer. I think after I'm done with it, I will probably put a belly band just to keep it, because I have a feeling with me writing in it, adding into it, it'll get pretty thick. But I thought I'd just share it, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And as you can see, I've been studying Van Gogh. It's my new thing. I just ordered another book today of Van Gogh. And it's taken me a while to read the book because it's such small prints and my eyes get tired. So I'm slowly reading it, because if the print wasn't so small, I probably had that read by now. Because I like reading, but it's so small print that this is how I have to read, guys. I sit here at my desk and I'm like this with my bookmarker, because it's so small. I lose my place. See how tiny that is? Oh, look at how thick that book is. But I'm on chapter 3. I thought I ordered the 17th, so if you're 10 days in, yeah. I'm trying to at least get a chapter read every other day, or at least once a week. Sometimes I only can read for like 2-3 pages, because the chapters aren't small. But I just wanted to share my journal. So I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.